Jamaica 1, USA 3, USA 3, Jamaica 1, Jamaica 1, USA 0. That should have been the scoreline at the 90 minutes. No, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. No, a lot of persons are actually saying that we should have managed the game better. We should have been doing this. We should have been doing that. That's not good enough. All these type of things. And I'm saying, what? What? Let me give you some statistics. Last night, the game versus Mexico. Mexico versus Panama. I'm going to show you something, people. I want to listen, because I know that you guys, most of you don't really like them something. They want to like go to want to think or want to believe is the most relevant topic. So these are the statistics from the Mexico game. Mexico had 41% possession, which means that Panama had more. Panama had 18 shots. Mexico had 6. 18 shots. Mexico had 6. Here was the difference. Panama had 5 shots on target. Mexico had 6 on target. So 100% shot on target. Mexico won the game 3-0. So all these statistics goes to show that despite Panama having more shots on goal, despite Panama had more possession, they still lost the game 3-0. It's about what you do. It's about what you do with those shots. If you put the ball in the back of the net, that is the most important factor. I think no one understand that. Let's go in context to the Jamaica now. Yes, we were outpossessed, which is expected because of the midfield we have and the quality players we have. Yes, they took more shots on us, which is expected. But guess what? We got fair enough chance to finish the game just as USA did. Now, the issue I have is when I said that we were robbed, a lot of persons are saying that we should have scored our chances. That is football. Both teams are going to get opportunity. Both teams are going to miss. If you think about the game, McKennie get an opportunity. I think Scully get an opportunity. At one point, the ball like Pulisic drag the ball when he get the defense. I think getting at the 18 box and swing the ball right across the goal line. Anything could happen. Say they could have scored just the same that we didn't score. But that is football. Not because you could have scored means you're gonna score. That's the reason why you should score. That's football, people. You will miss some, you will score some. Yes, we scored. We conceded an own goal. Yes, we got opportunity. Big opportunity to miss. Casey Palmer kick you on off a line. People of course said that was offside. At the end of the day, the reason why the referee allowed to play is because it was close. If he had scored, he would have gone to VAR. Then no decision have made there. So guess what? Scored, make VAR make the decision. At the end of the day, Cephas got a breakthrough and kick it straight in the goalkeeper palm. Should have done better. But that's how football is. Just same as how USA got through quite a few times within the same 90 minutes, and nothing came of it. That's how football is. In my perspective, my issue was at the 90 minutes. That's when the big problem was. The moment that clock hit 5, the referee should blow off the game. Because at the end of the day, there is an extra 1 added minute. A lot of persons don't know what happened. Initially 4 minutes go up. When it reached 55 seconds in the first 4 minutes, the clock went down. The clock went down for another 15 seconds. You don't see nothing on the screen. Then you see 5 minutes added on. And the clock restarts from 1. Now the big question is, that initial first minute that was added on, where did that first minute go? It must have meant that the moment the second clock reached 4 minutes, it would compensate for the full 5 minutes of added time. But that never happened. It went on from 4 minutes up until 5 minutes, up until almost 6 minutes when we conceded the goal. Think. That's what I want you guys to look into. That is where the problem was. Now, in my view, CONCACAF got exactly what they wanted. This is what CONCACAF wanted. CONCACAF wanted a USA-Mexico final. The only thing is, whosoever meet those teams in the semifinals should try their best to stop it. But the problem is, when things like these happen, it raises questions. It's going to raise questions. It will most definitely raise questions. Throughout the 90 minutes of the game, the moment you go, Jamaican players go close to a USA player, referee, whistle, free kick. And they could manhandle the Jamaican players in any manner, and referee look past it. Get up. Play on. Get up. At one point, somebody take out Damien Lowe from behind. Clean. Nothing. Free kick. That should have been a yellow card minimum. Minimum. So when second half started now, and they put Damien Lowe and Casey Palmer and yellow card. That's our midfield, which means that you limit their tackling. You limit them work with. Yeah, I'm not saying they don't deserve a yellow card. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, in the second half, USA are actually doing a lot more fouling than the Jamaican players, but yet still we were the one receiving the yellow cards, limiting our ability to go into some tackles. Because we have to start thinking twice now. But anyways, overall, where the game is concerned, I'm proud of the boys. I'm very, very proud of the boys. I know there are going to be a lot of Leon Bailey detractors coming up now say, boy, because Leon Bailey not did it, because Goldfish said this, right there, whatever. People may have a catalog right now, and Leon Bailey's misses in the Canadian game. So relax on yourself, yeah? All I want to come. I'm soon in the comment section. I'm not here to individualize no player. Notice I'm not call out no single player. I'm not doing that. I'm saying overall, it's a good performance from the team. The coach tactics for the 90 minutes of football was spot on. Unfortunately, based off of how the extra time thing go, just maybe, we might see the 6 minutes, it go up to 6 minutes, then go up to 7 minutes, then go up to 8 minutes, and the time continue counts until USA equalize. So, just maybe that's the case. So we just couldn't get away from that. Just maybe. Anyways, the game went into extra time, and I thought that the boys' legs ran out of steam, which is expected because we're doing a lot of work, a lot of defending from minute one up until that time. Now, I have to say big hats off to Kyle Dixon, the youngster coming in, pressing really, really hard, and it begs to say maybe, just maybe we could have seen him a bit earlier in the game. But the thing is, maybe it's an unsurety surrounding him, like he's an unknown factor, and possibly Al Grimson went out for the more experienced, the more known factor. And I do think that this would have been a lesson learned for Al Grimson. Just see what the youngs are coming on and the energy. I'm not sure if you realize that before you comment, when you're looking at the comment section, some people at the stadium were at the stadium will be commenting and they tell you, because I'm not sure if most of you guys would have listened, that when he started to run and that pressing intensity that he brought on, you saw Romario Williams start pressing higher. You saw the team start pressing higher because he brought a bit of energy, he brought a bit of zest to the team, and you could hear the supporters them getting a bit louder, trying to drag the team on. So I'm happy for what I saw he came on to do. You know, you got people in the comment section and say this and that, but me can tell you anything we come and say, me can ravish it easily. Even somebody in the previous video said, boy, I make it say. I'm pinpoint on the ball. But I have to speak about him. I love what I saw from the youngster on his debut. Big opportunity for him on a big stage. I really love what I see. Anyways, people, where the performance is concerned, Al Grimson went spot on with how things go for that 90 minutes with the squad that he has. Remember, this is not our full strength squad. Just imagine if we had the likes of Leon Bailey, Mikel Antonio, Ethan Pinnock, Demarai Gray, Shaman Nicholson. Just imagine if we had these players in that team. USA, I don't think USA would get anything from the game, because if that's not our strongest team, and USA was incapable of really doing anything much. Most of the game, all USA do a play a sideways passing. You know? Even though they had more possession, it was all sideways passing. If you look at their passing map, you can count the amount of passes that go straight to the heart of our midfield. You can count it because we clogged the midfield, put in some workman like in the midfield, force them wide. So all them do, like a horseshoes, I said them go. Just some sideways passing through the whole game. That's not necessarily football. That's not necessarily going to hurt any team. Notice when we get the ball, we drive like it's like a dagger through their heart, straight down the middle. That's how it is. Look, even same like the one I see us get the opportunity from when Blaze passed the two defenders them. Well, you should not score. But unfortunate, as I said, the game ended 3-1. 1-1 at half time, and they scored 2 in at a time. Corberg, lift your head up, tough. I say go. One of them things there. I know you're gonna burden the blame on your shoulder. I just saw football go. Wells, Andre Blake, I know you're disappointed if you concede those goals. I know you're very, very disappointed. You could see it on your face. Especially if you work so hard. But Sego, Al Grimson is supposed to feel stress after a team can put on a performance like that. But anyways, won't go any further, people. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Hit subscribe button. CONCACAF got what they want. That's all I can say. CONCACAF got exactly what they want. Big up on yourself, people. Truthfully, we should have been playing Panama and Jamaica playing and USA playing Mexico. But as I said, CONCACAF got exactly what they wanted. Big up on yourself. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people. MG Sports TV. Hit the like button. Enjoy the rest of the day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. God bless. We're out. Boom.